In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear the Spotify cache. Okay, so there's two ways of how you can actually do that. The first way is by going into the settings app on your phone. Okay, so I'm on an Android phone, so I'll show you for an Android device. So if I tap on my settings and then I scroll down till I find the option that says apps, which is right there. So I'll tap on apps, and then you just want to find the Spotify app within your list of apps. So let me just find it real quick. Okay, so there at the top it says Spotify. I'll tap on Spotify. Then you're looking for the option. If you scroll down, it says storage. So there's the storage option right there. And there you have the option at the bottom right hand corner to clear the cache. You can see I have, it says here 5.98 megabytes of cache. If you tap on clear cache, you can now see it goes to 0. Now the second way is by going into the Spotify app. Let me just go back out of here. Then what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Once you're on your settings page, just scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page. Okay, it's not completely at the bottom. So you can see the option here. It says clear cache within the Spotify app. So if I tap on that, it says your downloads won't be removed if you clear the cache. So that's good. I'll tap on clear cache and now you can see it has been cleared. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.